The Places of Worship Act 1991 has recently made it to the news following the contentious dispute surrounding the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, courts have allowed surveys of disputed sites like Gyanvapi Mosque in Varanasi, Shahi Idgah Mosque in Mathura, Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal, and Ajmer Dargah in Rajasthan. While Hindu petitioners argue these sites were originally temples, Muslim groups claim these actions violate the Places of Worship Act 1991. The act was created to preserve the religious identity of places of worship as they were on August 15, 1947. It bans changing a site's religious character or converting it into a place of another faith. It aims to prevent conflicts over historical religious disputes and ensure communal harmony. The law doesn't apply to the Babri Masjid case in Ayodhya, which was already in court when the law was introduced. The law was introduced by the Congress government under PM PV Narasimha Rao during the height of the Babri Masjid dispute to promote communal harmony. However, the act doesn't apply to archaeological sites protected by the 1958 law on monuments, cases resolved in courts or through mutual agreements before 1991, and sites converted before 1991 with public consent. The Allahabad High Court mentioned another exception in the Gyanvapi Mosque case, stating that courts could decide the religious nature of a site based on evidence, even if the act doesn't explicitly define how to do so. Additionally, in May 2022, the Supreme Court made oral observations while hearing a dispute involving the Gyanvapi Mosque. It said that the Act does not bar ascertaining the religious character of a structure as of August 15, 1947. This ruling has triggered legal and political debates about whether the Act still applies in such cases. The Supreme Court is reviewing petitions challenging the law. The Congress party has backed the act, accusing the ruling BJP of disregarding it. Prominent leaders like Jairam Ramesh emphasize the act's importance for communal peace. Meanwhile, RSS and Hindu leaders are pushing for a review. The controversy underscores ongoing tensions over historical disputes in India. Stay tuned to Business Standard for more updates on this developing story.